Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video. In this video, I'm going to give some initial impressions of OnePlus Dialer on OnePlus Nord, which is working absolutely fine. Where you can auto record and record calls without giving any alert to other in person. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Before getting started, I want to thank Skinify for giving 50 rupees off coupon for our subscribers who are willing to buy mobile accessories. Before you ask, let me clear you that this video isn't sponsored by Skinify. Buy any phone accessory from skinify.com and get 50 rupees off on each product which you buy, which means if you buy 2 items then you will get 100 rupees off and so on. And the coupon code is IOTEC50. So don't forget to check out the description for more information. I personally bought this gear from Skinify a month back and loved it, as this same product is for 300 rupees in Amazon if you are a Prime user and 150 in Skinify after applying my coupon code IOTEC50. So surf before you buy and choose them wisely. Let's quickly get on to the main topic. Download the OnePlus Dialer application from the link in the description box below. If you feel that this is the only thing that had to be done, then there is a catch. You must be running on Android 11 to install this application on OnePlus Nord. If you want to get OS 11 on your OnePlus Nord, then don't forget to join our Telegram group and know the answer. Don't forget to watch our previous videos to see the difference between OS 11 and 10. I'll make a separate video showing all the OnePlus apps running on the OnePlus Nord, so subscribe for that. Once done with the installation part, give all the necessary permission and there you go with the OnePlus Dialer on OnePlus Nord. After using OnePlus 8, it looks better than OnePlus 8 on OnePlus Nord and mind-blowing on OnePlus 8T. Yes, this app also works with 8T. You won't be able to see any app crashes as this application is truly based on Android 11. Rise to lower the volume feature, which is present on OnePlus 8, where the ringtone volume will be reduced when the phone is raised during an incoming call. I thought this functionality isn't available due to the cost cutting on OnePlus Nord and thought that these sensors were ditched for this reason. But the reality is that Google Dialer wasn't that much customized for OnePlus phones. So Nord users will love this feature the most. And now coming to the main part of the video, auto call recording feature is available. Just go to the settings and enable it. And those guys who were asking me this in the comment section and Telegram group, here is the answer. There are some other features available on this application which you will get to see on OnePlus 8, and if you never used OnePlus Dialer, then I'll show some screenshot of features on the screen. For those who ask me is there any harm to phone by installing this application, I'll tell you that this app isn't ported or developed by other developers. This is the official OnePlus Dialer which is going to come soon in the market, as OnePlus had heard our voice. So good job OnePlus. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your OnePlus friends, and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to see OS open beta update for OnePlus Nord procedure video. Won't trust me? Then subscribe to the channel and see it. By the way, you need to be on OS 11 to use the OnePlus Dialer on your phone, so do keep that in mind. Don't forget to join our Telegram group to know how to get OS 11 on OnePlus Nord, and you'll get latest updates related to OnePlus Nord. So thanks for watching guys, I'm Diwakar signing off and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.